Stop right now. Put the phone down if you're not ready to meet yourself. This is not a story you watch for entertainment. This is a test. One look into the wrong glass and everything you've been pretending will answer back. You think you know who you are? You wear names like armor, son, worker, influencer, survivor. You check the mirror and smile because the reflection agrees with the mask. But what if the mirror lied? What if the glass only showed you what the world wanted you to be, not what you actually are? Tonight we're going to break that glass. Not gently, not politely. We will smash the comfortable lie and let the truth cut the silence. Stay with me to the end, because by minute 8 you will understand 3 truths that don't fit on a motivation poster. Truths that will either free you or make you furious. Here's the rule for this video. If any line lands on you, don't scroll past it. Write it down, name it, own it, because denial is expensive. And this channel, Dosfiston, doesn't sell comfort. We sell clarity. Now I'll ask you 2 quick things. 1. When did you last look in a mirror and feel like the person you saw was lying to you? 2. Which reflection are you protecting right now? The truth or the story? Type your number in the comments. Be honest, no excuses, no likes, just words. Tonight a man finds a mirror that tells the truth. He thinks it will show him what he lost. It shows him what he traded, and what it shows will change how he breathes until the end of his days. Brace yourself, because truth doesn't comfort. Truth rewires, and rewiring hurts. We begin. He bought the mirror by accident. A yard sale on a dying street, where everything smelled like rain and regret. The old man selling it said, "Be careful, this one remembers faces." He thought it was a joke. Paid $5, carried it home. The mirror wasn't special. Old wood frame, chipped edge, cloudy glass. But that night, when he walked past it, it whispered. Not words, just a breath, like the glass exhaled. He froze. Looked closer. The reflection blinked before he did. At first he laughed, blamed exhaustion. Too much coffee, too much pretending. But when he leaned closer, he saw something the world had never told him about himself. His smile didn't reach his eyes, and his eyes looked tired of lying. He touched the glass. The reflection didn't copy him this time. It just stared, then said, "Why do you keep becoming what you hate?" He fell back, heart racing. The voice wasn't loud. It was calm, honest. It wasn't asking to scare him. It was asking to wake him up. Every question it asked hit where logic doesn't go. Why do you call it peace when you've only made yourself numb? Why do you chase validation and call it purpose? Why do you fear silence more than failure? He tried to walk away, but the mirror followed him, not physically but in memory. Every reflective surface, windows, water, car glass, began showing what the real mirror had shown, not the body, the truth. He saw the version of himself he used to be, hungry, wild, full of spark. Then the version he became, tamed, polite, afraid of noise, scrolling away his time like it was infinite. And beneath that, one more version, a shadow, the man he could still become if he stopped running. That's when it hit him. The mirror didn't show what he lost. It showed what he refused to face. He smashed it the next night, but the glass didn't break. Instead, the reflection looked disappointed and said, "You can't destroy what's inside you." Then everything went silent. No noise, no hum of the fridge, not even his heartbeat. Just one phrase on the glass, written backward in faint light. "The truth you fear is the freedom you need." He understood then. The mirror wasn't haunted. He was haunted by the versions of himself he abandoned. He dropped to his knees, not crying, just breathing differently, like the air finally had weight again. And somewhere deep inside, something shifted. Not fixed, just realigned. He whispered, "I see you." And for the first time, his reflection smiled first. He didn't tell anyone what happened that night. Because how do you explain that you met yourself and almost didn't recognize who you were? He didn't need a priest. He didn't need a doctor. He needed silence. Because silence, he realized, is where the truth finally stops whispering and starts screaming. Days passed. The world looked the same, but he didn't. He stopped checking his phone every 5 minutes, stopped pretending to be okay. He just started listening, and slowly the puzzle began to make sense. Not as a miracle, as a reconstruction. The 3 mistakes that quietly destroy us. We mistake distraction for healing. We scroll, binge, run, thinking escape equals peace. But numbness is just pain with better lighting. We mistake validation for value. We let likes decide our worth. We let trends name our purpose, but when the applause fades, the emptiness returns, louder. Do we mistake survival for living? We tell ourselves, at least I'm getting by. But that's not living. That's drowning slower. The 3 lessons that rebuild the soul. 1. Face your reflection, even when it's ugly. Healing starts when you stop curating your truth. Look straight into your fears. They shrink when faced. 2. Be loyal to your becoming, not your comfort. Every new level demands a version of you that your old self fears. Growth is not supposed to feel safe. It's supposed to feel alive. 3. Silence is not emptiness. It's a mirror. The world is loud because it's afraid you'll hear your own thoughts. Don't run from the quiet. That's where direction hides. The 4 daily actions that change everything. Sit with yourself, 10 minutes. No phone, no music, just breathe. Let your thoughts talk. Forgive the version of you that didn't know better. You can't hate yourself into healing. Build before you broadcast. Work in silence. Let results speak. Guard your focus. Energy goes where attention flows, and attention is the most expensive currency you have. Then he understood what the mirror was teaching all along. You don't need a reflection to see yourself. You need truth, and truth isn't pretty, but it's pure, and it's the only thing that sets you free. He didn't fix his life that night. He just started walking toward it, one honest breath at a time. And maybe that's all healing really is. So if you're watching this right now, stop chasing the next distraction. Stop waiting for the right time. The mirror is already in front of you. It's called today. This is Dosfiston. If this hit your soul, go and watch The Dark Truth while you keep failing. Because I promise, if you watch that one next, something in you will never stay the same again. Remember, you don't find yourself, you face yourself. Until next time, keep becoming. Don't stop. And when you do look in the mirror, make sure it smiles first.